Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Credit Karma application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Once you open up the App Store, go to the search box and type in Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a free tool that allows you to monitor your credit score and reports. To download the application, make sure you find this application in the search result and tap on the Get button. The application is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to take control of their credit health. It provides a free and easy way to monitor your credit score, understand how credit works, and make informed financial decisions. Wait for the application to download after you tap on the Get button and install it on your device, and once it is done, launch the app open. So that is how you will be able to download the correct Credit Karma application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.